Alright, hello. We're shooting a 360 video here. We're right by Lincoln Center. And I'm going to walk and talk the best I can. It's a little nasty out here. I'll hold the camera up so you can see as much as you can. I'm trying to get away from the police. Crazy people out here on the roads. Very nasty out. That's the Hotel Empire, looking south towards 64th and Broadway, and behind me, if you can see me in the video, you're probably looking up Broadway and Columbus Avenue. And I'm going to try and keep your perspective so you don't have to move this too far. We're going to walk towards Channel 7 here in a minute, and then we'll hold it once we get to Channel 7.
Go. 360. 360 camera.
Oh, it is a 360?
Yeah, I'm going to put it up on Facebook in a bit.
Right.
Have a good one.